Some of you will know we reside for half the year in Altos del Liminar in the Torrevieja area of Torrevieja. And today we are making the trip from there to an area on the other side of the N332 road which splits the town in two. As per usual, we are travelling on our e-bikes and negotiating both the really good cycle tracks in Torrevieja and one of the more challenging roads where there is no cycle track and concentration levels need to be high. From the Hyperbur roundabout on the CV905, we take Calle Jose Carreras. The journey is 1.7 miles or 2.7 kilometres to our first location on Avenida de la Mancha.
Hola.
And welcome to our channel Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. It's the 8th of November, it's Wednesday, and although it's a little bit more chilly, it's still a lovely sunny day.
It is indeed. And today we're at a place we don't come to a lot, and we should come more because it's really nice. It's a place called Aguas Nuevas. And we're on the corner of Avenida de la Mancha and Calle Sancho Panza.
Well done.
I did all right then.
You did all right, yeah.
So yeah, it's a lovely day, and we're going to show you around two shopping centres. There's this one called the Aguas Nuevas Centre, and there's another one further up the road. We're going to show you them both. So come on, let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
And we've got the main sign there, which looks nice. We've got Vega Fibre, which is where we get our broadband from. We've got a restaurant next door called Dajiji. I think they call it Dajiji. And then upstairs, we can see from down here that upstairs there's a place called Maggio Food and Drinks. There's also this Indian restaurant on the south side, Bombay Dreams International Restaurant. And there's a curious looking cow on top there. Let's see if we can get a better shot of the cow.
Looks very colourful. So this shopping centre's on 2 floors.
2 floors?
2 floors.
2 soups.
And I think it opens from 9 till 9.
Although we've seen
a couple of the restaurants that don't open till a bit later, so not all of it is open at 9 o'clock.
Yeah. This is the Kapaksha restaurant. Next door is the Madha Kebab. And an Indian at the end, Enjoy India. So upstairs we've got the Piccolino restaurant all the way up there. So we're on the Avenida de la Mancha side, and people getting ready with the cushions and that and getting the chairs outside.
This is the Enjoy Indian place which we saw around the other side, so it must go all the way through.
It goes all the way to the other side.
There's already people in there.
Wow, curry for
Lunch.
breakfast.
Well no, it's lunch. It's 1:45.
Is it? Blimey, it feels like we just got out of bed. Ooh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Tandoori grill.
Any starters from these, any main one from these, and rice from one.
Great stuff, lovely, thank you.
And you get ice cream.
Get ice cream.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Milu.
Milu.
Unisex
hairdressers.
Wow.
We've got special offers on certain days on the window over there.
It's a lovely pink.
ATM machine.
The old ATM, we need an ATM. It's a cash zone ATM, so there will be a little charge on there. And there's another ATM. I suppose you can never have too many ATMs. And this is a Euronet ATM. Again, I think there'll be a little charge for using this as well. And here at Piccolino's we have the menu of the day. A little blackboard here pointing the way. It's upstairs. So there we are, there's the board. Menu of the day, $12.50. Start a main course, a dessert and a drink. And there's some of the things that are available. Okay, let's go upstairs and have a look. There's a little indoor lift, and there's some stairs. We'll go up the stairs because we're feeling fit today. And to the left we've got Piccolino. And then to the right,
Chill out bar.
it's not open, it's a chill out bar from the estate agents.
That's the estate agents, isn't it? Look.
There's a view from the second floor. So this is a chill out bar. This is the Maggio, is it Maggio?
Yeah. Right,
So this is Maggio's
cocktail bar.
cocktail bar. Not open at the moment. But it looks like a nice place to have a drink at night time. Shall we have a coffee?
How are we doing for time?
All right.
Yeah, we can have a coffee.
So from here, it's only a short walk, which we're going to do now, to the other commercial centre. It's actually about 200 metres away. So we'll take you up there now and show you around that one.
So this centre, the Aguas Nuevas, is more of an eating centre, isn't it? It's not
Yeah.
really a shopping centre.
It's a commercial centre, and it is
Yeah, it's a commercial centre.
where people come to chill out, have a drink, have something to eat,
Have your hair done,
have your hair
buy
done.
a property. This one's called the Alameda Centro Commercial.
Alameda Commercial Centre. Let's have a walk round. La Tienda 365.
Does that mean it's open every day?
It looks like it's a 24-hour shop, or it's open every day. Not necessarily 24 hours.
And it is open. It's like a little sort of supermarket.
And here we have the Pellagueria Canina, which is, it looks like
Dog
a
grooming.
dog grooming. Absolutely fabulous.
There's a real estate agency. Chinese bazaar.
Chinese bazaar shop. One of these places that sells absolutely everything. Pharmacy. That's upstairs. We'll be going up there soon. Have a look at those things there, and then we've got a very popular cafeteria restaurant, Carlos. Nice terrace area. It's an estate agent over the road. There's the menu for Carlos Cafeteria Restaurant. Pretty large selection.
See, they've got your favourite
Have they? Where?
tuna.
Oh, I love me
So it's a
tuna.
cold baguette. It's not like a toaster.
I like a toast. It'll do a toasty as well, I would imagine, if you ask him.
We'll do it with tomato and olive oil at 1/3.
Yeah. It's good prices as well, isn't it? Now we're talking, aren't we? Look, Tweetys, fish and chips. Fancy fish and chips then? It's a long time since we had a Tweetys. That was a nice trip round, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
An area that we don't normally come to. Well worth a trip.
Aguas Nuevas.
Aguas Nuevas. Lovely, lovely place. Some nice properties here as well. And quite a lot of places to see and to go to. Two nice commercial centres as you've seen with us today. Finishing off with a fantastic fish and chips.
From Tweetys.
Did you enjoy that?
I did, yeah. They were a bit too much though, I left a lot.
Well, that's better than not being enough, isn't it?
Yeah. But I left my batter so I could eat my fish.
Right, fair enough.
So I left it on the side. Tartar sauce.
Tartar sauce. So,
Homemade chips.
yeah, oh, lovely chips.
Really,
Yeah.
homemade chips.
And all the condiments were there. I had a cup of tea.
Yeah.
I haven't had a cup of tea for ages.
And there's a lot of estate agents around here.
Yeah,
So
well, there's a lot of property.
If you do come and have a look, if you're going to buy somewhere, have a look at the estate agents.
Yeah, there's a few in there. There's one down in the shopping centre, down the first one. There's one over the road from this one, I think. There's one round the back.
There's one over there. That's an insurance place. There's one, I think, up there.
Yeah. So, yeah, a hive of activity. And a nice place to come and have a bit of a trip out.
Yeah.
And if you fancy fish and chips, then there's only one place to come to, and that's here.
And if the sun's shining, it's a lovely place to sit.
Before we went back home, we decided to call in to see a couple of our subscriber friends who were entertaining the crowds at the bar Le Perro Negro, better known as the Black Dog on Calais Navillon. Everyone was having a great time listening to Sven on bass and his fellow musicians, with Anna singing and other guest performers. A great time was had by all.
And it's only round the corner from where we've just been. We're not in the best position to see the stage because it's packed. But
So we've got a seat.
we've got a seat and we can see a bit. Very good. On that note, I think it's time to wrap the video up.
Yeah, I think so.
So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free to subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1, ping. Adios.